Hello everyone, let's solve this exponential equation, which is 5 to the power x times 5 to the power x is equal to 50. So what is the value of x? Now 5 to the power x times 5 to the power x, this is in the form of 8 to the power n times 8 to the power m, which we can express as 8 to the power n plus m. So applying this exponent property, we'll have 5 to the power x plus x, this is equal to 50. So this is the same thing as 5 to the power 2x, this is equal to 50. So now, to solve for the value of x, let's introduce the natural logarithm on both sides. So this is log 5 to the power 2x. This is equal to log 50. So from here, log 5 to the power 2x, this is in the form of log 8 to the power n, which you can express as n log a. Now applying this power rule property of logarithm, log 5 to the power 2x becomes 2x log 5. This is equal to log 50. So let's divide both sides by log 5, so that now we'll have 2x. This is equal to log 50 divided by log 5. Now, from what we have here, we can express 50 basically as 25 multiplied by 2. So this means that 50 again can be 25 can be expressed as 5 to the power 2 times 2. So here we'll have 2x. This is equal to log 5 to the power 2 times 2. All this divided by log 5. Okay, so let's proceed from here. Now we have 2x is equal to log 5 to the power 2 times 2. And this is actually in the form of log a multiplied by b, which you can express as log a plus log b. So applying this property, we'll have 2x, this is equal to log 5 to the power 2 divided by log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. So log 5 to the power 2, okay, applying the power rule property, which is log 8 to the power n, this is equal to n log a. Applying this property, we'll have 2x, this is equal to 2 log 5 divided by log 5. So plus log 2 divided by log 5. So let's simplify here. We'll have 2x, this is equal to 2 plus, now log 2 divided by log 5. This is actually in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. So applying this property, we'll have log 2 to base 5. So let's divide both sides by 2, so that here we'll have x is equal to 1 plus a half log 2 to base 5. Now this is the value of x. So let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation. So let's verify. So let's verify this. Now we have that 5 to the power x multiplied by 5 to the power x, this is equal to 50. Now we express this further to 5 to the power 2x. This is actually equal to 50. So let's substitute the value of x here, so that now we'll have 5 to the power 2x. This is supposed to give us a value of 50. So let's substitute the value of x, which is basically equal to 1 plus a half log 2 to base 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 50. All right, so this is 5 to the power 2 times 1, this is 2, plus, now a half here simplifies, so plus log 2 to base 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 50. All right, so 5 to the power 2 plus log 2 to base 5. This is in the form of 8 to the power n plus m, which you can express as 8 power n multiplied by 8 power m. Let's apply this exponent property so that we'll have 5 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 to the power log 2 to base 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 50. Now 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2, this is the same thing as 5 times 5, which is basically 25. So we'll have 25 multiplied by 5 to the power log 2 to base 5. Now 5 to the power log 2 to base 5, this is of the form of m raised to the power log a to base m, which is essentially equal to a. Now, applying this logarithm property, we'll have 25 multiplied by, now, 5 to the power log 2 to base 5. This is essentially equal to 2. So let's substitute 5 to the power log 2 to base 5 with 2. So we'll have 25 multiplied by 2, and this is supposed to give us a value of 50. So it's true that 25 times 2, this is 50, which is equal to 50. So that means that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And that affirms that the value of x, which is basically equal to 1 plus a half log 2 to base 5, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. So see you in the next video.